Oh, he just got caked.
What's going on, guys? Nick Mack here. DUKEBOYZ POWERSPORTS, the channel name now. No more Dutch rudder films. But I'd like to announce my 2021 Canam Maverick Sport XMR. This thing is an absolute beast. I already got a roof on her from direction2.com, and yeah, it's a snowy day. We're gonna go rip this thing in the snow. And just for all my original subscribers to Dutch Rudder Films, I just want to let you know I am not getting rid of the Kingquad. The Kingquad's I'm keeping this thing forever until it dies. We're gonna have to put a bullet in this thing to get rid of it. But yeah, it's staying around. You might not see it a lot this year because I got to do a lot of work to it, and I'll definitely show you guys along the way with all that. But yeah, let's get this party started and rip a side by side.
Oh, buddy. Oh, there's one. See him? I think we're about to get the fucking Maverick XMR stuck here. Just out here, I gotta turn left, and it's pretty fucking deep. It was up to my knee, so we'll see. We got it in mud and four-wheel drive. So wish me luck, boys. We made it out of there. You see where the tripod's set up? It is fucking deep over there. I'm out of breath. Getting old sucks. Alright, here goes nothing. Really should have brought a shovel with me. But the old Mav, I think she won't let me down. Alright, let's send it. This is gonna get deep right in front of us too. Alright. Come on, girl, you can do it. Oh my! Oh. Now the only thing wrong with this thing is it doesn't turn in the fucking snow. Oh, look at all this stuff. They got a jump going on over here. I swear it drifts up pretty good. Oh, I see one. See that drift coming? Here we go. Here we go. Oh, he just got caked. Almost went to the fence. Imagine you guys got covered in snow. Oh, God. Look at it in here. I got caked in snow through there. This thing's fucking awesome. I gotta go up and down better put her in low mud mode. Look at that. Think we're gonna make it, boys? Oh, we're gonna try. Maybe we should put her in high. Yeah, put it in high. Last tip after, go to the left. Oh yeah, man. Just climbs out of it. No problem. We're gonna have to go around this way because I'm not gonna get enough speed to go the other way. Almost lost her there, guys. Still a rookie, still learning. Alright, we're gonna take her out of mud mode. Give her a break. Trail mode. And again, this won't bite in the corner. Back. Hopefully you guys got a lot of that. Hopefully the camera's not all fuckered up. See, open it. Oh yeah, the camera's a little bad. Hopefully it's not too bad for video. Alright guys, this is Nick Mac. Take it easy. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below where you want what should I do with this thing. Alright, peace out.